they're getting stuck in an AI loophole, in a black hole that is ChatGPT, trying to do stuff with AI. Let's figure out, how are we getting stuck back? So there's us and there's AI, and we prompt ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives us a great answer. We usually do like a one-shot prompting, a vague prompt, and it gives us a really good answer, better than what Google will tell us, and we're happy, right? But then when we work with AI every day, starting to sound robotic, starting to reference old data more and more. It's not giving us unique answers anymore. So there's actually a term for that. It's called ChatGPT spiral. They call it the tutorial purgatory or mutual hallucination. But my favorite is actually from St. Augustine. It's in Latin, incurvatus inse, which is to cave in on oneself. And that's what happens when you get stuck with your thoughts with a machine that is built to make you happy with the output that it generates. And it will generate based on the context that you give it, will generate something back with what it knows about you. So if it's just the two of you, that data set is going to be limited until magkakasawaan na kayo and you guys will drive each other crazy. So to cave in on oneself, even with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is our thought partner. It adds value to our thoughts, to our ideas. If we get stuck with ChatGPT, there's a better way. And that's why we have the architecture. And we have the data sources, the input and the output. And what happens is when we have more data sources, then we have more context to feed ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT can give us better outcomes. So for example, if we have customer complaints, feed ChatGPT with customer complaints, it will give you insights. From the insights, you as a human can figure out, how can I improve our business processes? How can I improve our customer service? That will lead to better outcomes. How can we use customer complaints in order to improve our content plan, our proposals, our products? That is a great way to make sure that we break the spiral. So we have the data sources, and it's us and ChatGPT is able to generate better outputs because it has an external source outside of what we introduce it to, because it's just data, diba? Data in, data out. So that's what we're feeding ChatGPT. And okay, there's a loop, but we can still cave in this type of process. So how do we make it better? We make it better when we have our data sources, we work with our AI workflows, but there is a clear audience, user, customer that we're building it for. And there is a feedback loop from that. Did what we generate actually help somebody, or actually help our user or our customer? Because that will add even more data that will enrich the context of us working with ChatGPT.